Hi friends, welcome back to my channel in Make It Easy with Unnati. Today subject is science, topic transportation in plants. Let's recap. In 6th standard you might have learned about parts of a flower like petal, anther, filament, receptacle, ovary, sepal, style and stigma. Lesson explanation. In this lesson, we will learn reproduction in plants. We will learn reproduction in plants, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, bisexual flowers, unisexual flowers, and pollination in flowers. Reproduction. The product of new individuals from their parents is known as reproduction. Modes of reproduction. Asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, new plants are obtained without production of seeds. It means asexual reproduction needs no seeds to grow new plants. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves sex cell and fertilization. Sexual reproduction needs both male and female sex cell and fertilization to grow new plant. Male sex cell means stamen sex cell, female sex cells means pistil sex cell and fertilization to grow new plants. Unisexual flowers. Flowers which contains either only pistil or only stamens are called unisexual flowers. It means the flowers which have only pistil or only stamen are called unisexual flowers. The example of unisexual flowers are cornflower, cucumber flower and papaya flower. Bisexual flowers. Some flowers contains both male and female reproductive parts. Such flowers are called bisexual flowers. It means the flowers which contain both male and female reproductive parts. Male reproductive part means stamen and female reproductive part means pistil. Some flowers contain both pistil and stamen are called bisexual flowers. Pollination in plants. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a stamen to the stigma of a pistil is called pollination. The pollen grains are situated in the anther and anther are situated in stamen. Stigma is situated in pistil. Therefore, pollen grains from the anther of a stamen to the stigma of a pistil it's called pollination. It means the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma is called pollination. There are two types of pollination, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination. When the pollen grains from the anther of a flower are transferred to the stigma of the same flower, it is called self-pollination. When the pollen grains are transferred to the stigma of the same flower, it's called self-pollination. Cross-pollination. When the pollen grains from the anther of a flower on one plant are transferred to the stigma on another similar plant, it's called cross-pollination. It means the pollen grains of a flower are transferred to the stigma of the another similar flower. It's called cross-pollination. Thank you.